I'm Rachel and today I'm here with my mom in the kitchen. We're going to share with you guys a classic Filipino recipe.
Today we're going to share with you Leche Flan. It's a party favorite and it's very easy to make. There's only 5 ingredients that you need.
Let's get started. So first we're going to need about, how many egg yolks are in here?
10 egg yolks.
1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. And then you're going to whisk your egg yolks with your milk.
Okay, so while Rachel is whisking the mix, I'm going to put a couple of spoon brown sugar in the mold. You can get this mold at any grocery store near you, Asian grocery store. And we're gonna put it on top of the stove to let it caramelize. And now take it off the heat and let it sit and cool down for a bit. Just to add a little bit more flavor, zest some lemon.
So now we're gonna pour the mix over the strainer into the molds.
Okay, so now our Leche Flan is ready to be covered and put in the steamer. But first, have to cover it with tin foil. Make sure that it's all sealed.
Who taught you, Mom, how to make Leche Flan?
This one I believe it wasn't from my mom. I believe I just found the recipe somewhere from our old recipe book. Okay, so it's in now and we're going to wait for about 30 to 45 minutes.
We are done with our Leche Flans and they look really yummy.
It turns out a little bit darker because we used the dark brown sugar. So next time, and for your some tips, use the light brown sugar to make it a little bit more lighter. But it still tastes the same.
How's it?
It's very lemony.
Nice and creamy. And you can even make this into a pie by putting it in a pie shell or even tart shells. I could eat this whole thing.
Me too. I can eat the whole plate. So yummy.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video and we hope you guys try out this traditional Filipino recipe.
Thanks for watching. Salamat.